Okay, this is my how-to of how to do a pinstriping brush with a regular feather, some tape, and any type of stick that you can find. So you want to get your feather, pick off a decent sized piece, like this, rip it off, put one down, go ahead and grab another, rip it off, once again, stick it on this one, like double it up, it's a little bit better doubled up. Then you want to stick it to your tape. We're going to grab the stick, we're going to put it right where that was at. Then you just roll over the tape and then start turning this until the entire thing gets taped on itself. And at the end you just, use your hand like that, but then you have a super fine brush. Okay, this is how to make a pinstriping brush with a feather, tape, and a stick. Okay, thank you.